Today we're talking transitions, specifically how to use inbuilt Premiere Pro transitions properly. So we're going to work with these two clips here, and the easiest way to add transition, you just go to the cut, you right click and click on apply default transitions. This will apply cross dissolve to your video track and constant power to your audio track. Let's view it. If you want to remove transition, you just click on it and press delete. Same for the audio. If you want to add another transition that are built in inside Premiere, you just go to the effect, go under the video transitions, and there's a bunch of transitions. Let's add the wipe one. You just click on the transition and drag it to the clip, like so. So I added the wipe transition. If you're happy with the results, you can leave it as is, but there's a possibility to tweak this transition. For that, click on the transition and go to the effect controls. In here, I can change the direction of this transition. For example, I want this to start from the top and go to the bottom. I can do it. Also, I can change the duration. For example, I want this to go 45 frames and not 30. I can do it as well. I can change the alignment. For example, I want to center this at the cut. Boom, there you have it. You can do it. Also, I can add the border in between those clips. So for example, let's go with 45 and you see this black border. I can change the color of that border to something like, I don't know, let's go with white. And also I can reverse the clips. I can speed up the end. For example, I'll go 50. Let's see. Boom. You can see that built-in transitions can be cool and flexible, and you can tweak them to get the desired look. This is it for this tutorial. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome.